Hey everybody, Matt Leja here with Maple Grove Productions. Now that the maple syrup season is done, I can finally start making some homesteading for beginners videos again. We shared with you last time how to make a trundle wheel. Today I'm bringing you a sawbuck. So this here is a sawbuck. A sawbuck is essentially just a support here to allow you to better and easier cut. Excuse my terrible English, but it allows you to cut your logs and stuff easier this way. So this guy is really long, and it's awkward, as you know, to cut stuff with a chainsaw or even a handsaw on the ground, because you're going to end up cutting straight into the ground or ruin your blades or your chains. So I put this thing together. This is based on a 3-minute sawbuck video that I saw on YouTube. Check that out. Just search for 3-minute sawbuck, and you'll see this design. So just to show you how it comes together, it's really simple. I love simple projects and simple contraptions here like this that make your job easier. So ideally you'll want to use some new pallets. I had a couple of broken pallets that were no good, so I figured I'd take a stab at making the sawbuck out of those, and it worked out. So essentially it's pretty simple. You're going to want to cut your pallet here every second piece of wood here, skipping one. So cut the first one, leave the second one, cut the third one, leave the fourth, cut the fifth, and on the other one you want to make sure that your pallets are the same height, obviously, but on the other one I just did the opposite. So leave the first, cut the second, leave the third, cut the fourth. And then when you put them together, you'll have to experiment and see which way works best for you. For us, I think it was like this works the best. When you interlock them together, that's nice and solid, not going to go anywhere. And then you can then take your log or your stick or whatever, your pole, stick it here, grab your chainsaw, cut. You can cut here if you wanted to. You could more like handsaw it. You know, you can stick your foot on here and cut it like that. This makes working alone a lot easier. So if you don't have somebody to hold it for you, if you don't have a sawhorse or whatever, a sawbuck, you can just make one. It's super simple. So really quick video today on how to make a sawbuck out of pallets. So hope you enjoy. Tune in again next time for another homesteading for beginners video, where we're going to be checking out the fiddleheads that are coming through. And yeah, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.